For wet cleaning, I have a mat, this thing called the Cleaning Work Mat. There's other people who make versions. This one has a little spindle in the middle, and it has a bigger one here. Like you can put a CD on here too, but you can put maybe put a 12-inch record. The edge of the record goes against this little button. I use this is an old bottle, but I just make a solution that's distilled water and alcohol. So I put about maybe that much alcohol in there and the rest distilled water. And I'll just give it a couple of quick sprays and then use a microfiber cloth. And with this pad, I can kind of press down on it. I don't have to really touch the record or hold it. You see, it's not really turning very much. So if I've got a fingerprint or something, I can kind of go pretty good on it. But I'm only going in the circular pattern of the grooves. I'm not going to go like this. Like with a CD, you do that. But when you do one side, then you can flip it over and do the other. But that's what I do for wet cleaning.